I, Nikunj Mehta, who self-realize, God realize. Each second I am listening sound of the God at my penal eye. Each second I can see the light of the God at my penal eye. Daily going journey of heaven. And lot of experience. What is the self-realization? What is the realization of the God? And how you journey to the heaven. And each second I am receiving the message from the God, from superpower. Each second I am receiving message from the God, from superpower, and declare and state and try to understand you all, the people of the world, that how to protect our life from the corona, how to protect our life from the corona and many other diseases. So life is very most important, life is very most important, nothing is greater than life. So I am trying to understand you how we protect our life from corona. Just listen carefully, just listen carefully. At present, whole the world is feared by the corona disease. Corona disease. Whole the world feared by the corona disease. What happened tomorrow? Nobody know what happened tomorrow. What is the real solution of corona? How to avoid the corona? How to save life from the corona? How to live long life? How to live powerful life? How to live happy life? How to live fearless life? That is why whole world and whole man, woman and bothered about corona and how to save life from corona. I am just trying to give one solution how to avoid corona and how to protect us from corona, how to protect our life from corona. I am trying to give I am trying to give one example and also trying to understand you that waves coming from the heaven, the cosmos, the waves coming from the cosmos, the waves coming from the universe, the waves coming from the heaven, the wave coming from the God at our third eye center continuously, continuously, continuously. This is the real worship of the God. This is the real worship of the God. When you concentrate at third eye center, when you concentrate at third eye center, you can slowly and gradually, you can slowly and gradually see the light at the third eye center, the light of the God. You can just listen the sound of the God. You can just sweet song. You can just sweet song and listen the very good sound at the God at the third eye center, your pineal eye. So you can just see the light of the God. You can listen the sound of the God. When you listen the sound of the God, when you can see the light of the God, this is the real worship of the God. And these sound and these light can give us continuously charging, continuously charging, continuously charging to our each organ, our body, our lungs, our eye, our heart, our kidney, our each organ of our body. These waves of the heaven, these waves of the heaven, these waves of the heaven is continuously charging our body, our mind, our each organ of the body and feel freshness, 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 more freshness, more freshness, more freshness. Just like freshness from the water, just like the freshness from the air, like oxygen, just like the oxygen at the hills station, just like water at the seashore. I am trying to give one example. When you see located or situated at seashore, the continuously waves coming from the sea to the seashore, and we feel lot of charging, lot of charging, lot of charging. We can water is the one of the element of our body. The after some interval we have to take the water because without of water we cannot imagine our life on this earth. So continuously we have to drink the water, we have to bath from the water, we can touch to the water, we can feel charging from the water, because water is one of the element of our body. I am just trying to give you example that as water is a, we can feel the charging from the water, but more than water, we can feel charging at the waves of the third eye center, at the waves of the heaven. So water is one of the most important of our body. Even air is more important than the water, and each second we are just giving, each second we are just receiving the oxygen from the earth, and continuously we are just taking the oxygen, and we are just staying on this earth. So continuously I am trying to give you understand that just like water, more than just like air, continuously waves coming from the heaven at our third eye center. So our each organ is feel charging, our each organ feel charging, each organ our feel charging, and become by default, become by default in language of the computer. By default means is become like a origin. Then you feel more charging, more charging, more charging. Your mind can be charged, your soul can be charged, your each body can be charged. I am just trying to give one more example like a waterfall. I am just trying to give you one more example like waterfall. Just like waterfall, the waterfall is falling from the mountain to the earth. The fall from the falling water from mountain to the earth. Just like that, the waves coming from the cosmos, the waves coming from the universe, the waves coming from the heaven, at our pineal eye, at our third eye center, and even when we can see the light of the God at third eye center, we can see the listen the sound of the God at the third eye center, and we feel extraordinary charge, extraordinary charge, extraordinary charge, and can charge our each organ, can charge our body, can charge our mind, and become healthy, more healthy, more healthy. These waves of the heaven can give us more life, long life, happy life, powerful life, and without any medicine. This is proven, this is already proved, this is already proven in bodies in many ways. This is the real worship of the God, this is the real worship of the God. Our each religion is accept this method, each sant is accept this method, how to listen the waves of the heaven, how to listen the sound of the God at the third eye center, how to see light at the third eye center, how to feel charging, how to feel charging, how to feel charging. There is no expenses, there is no expenses, and you feel continuously charging from at the pineal eye center. So just I am trying to understand you. I am trying to understand you. Just like giving the example of the seashore, just like the giving the example of the air at the hill station, just like giving the example of the dhara. And also God has given us a free air, free water, and many elements. There is a five elements of earth, and God has given us a free, is a gift from the God. But we pollute, we pollute it, we polluted, we polluted the water, we polluted the air, we pollute the greenery, even we pollute more and more elements. So we have also tried to clean the air, we have to try to clean the water, we have to try to clean greenery, and become healthy, and become healthy. We have to save the five elements of earth, we have to growth of five elements earth, if we want to save our life from corona. If we want to save the life of our corona, we have to try to make free and clean air, we have to try to make clean water, we have to try for the clean air, we have to try for the clean water, we have to try for the clean greenery, and remove pollution from the air, remove pollution from the water, remove pollution from the greenery, and stay more healthy, more powerful. And each second we have to try to listen the sound of the God, and to see the light of the God at our pineal eye, and always become more healthy, more powerful, more long life. So I am trying to understand how to stay our life from corona, how to stay our life from corona, because nothing is greater than life, nothing is greater than life in this world, nothing is greater than life. So I just best wishes to all you all that you live real to attach with the superpower and real listen the sound of the God, see the light of the God, and feel your each organ you charge, each organ you charge, and feel long life, healthy life, powerful life, and remain forever healthy with long life. That's all. Radha Swami.